Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing proportions. You need baseline, cap height, and X height guides so your 3D letter sits correctly. Use a ruler and light pencil to draw the vertical stem width and a simple lowercase r silhouette. This is your 2D blueprint. Once done, decide an isometric or perspective direction for depth and mark vanishing point or angle. You'll work from this block in, so keep lines light. You'll refine edges and add volume next. Now you give the letter volume. Project each key vertex backward along your chosen depth direction by a consistent distance. In perspective, connect to the vanishing point. In isometric, use parallel offsets. You'll see distinct front, top, and side planes emerge. Trace clean outlines for each plane and refine the curved bowl of the R so it wraps naturally around the volume. Make sure transitions between planes are crisp. Once satisfied, erase unnecessary construction marks and darken the final silhouette for shading. Finish by establishing a light source and shading each plane accordingly. Apply core shadows where the form turns away from light, softer midtones on top faces, and a cast shadow beneath the letter to ground it. Use hatching or smooth gradients to communicate surface curvature. Add a small highlight on the rounded edges. If shapes look off, check that offset distances and vanishing alignment are consistent. Correcting one vertex often fixes the whole 3D.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.